Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to add collaborators after posting on Instagram. Now, this is quite a simple and easy thing to do, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea on how you can do this. So once you're here on your profile and you have selected the piece of content that you want to edit or add a collaborator to, it's quite simple. First, let's select this post right here. Once you have the post selected, click on three dots on the top right corner and then you can click on edit. After this, you can see an option over here where it says tag people. Just click on that and then you can click on invite collaborators. Once you do that, you can search for the collaborator on your profile. And once you have them selected, you can put them anywhere in the post and then click on the tick mark on the top right corner. After this is done, you can click on the tick mark again to save all of your changes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You have now successfully added a collaborator after posting it on Instagram. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.